Alright, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we are going to have a look at this little device here, which is not it, but we have like these panels in a triangle shape, and you attach them to our little device here so that you can actually control it that way. And as you see, it has like three options where you can add up. You just stick in these little chip cards, that's what I call them, or connectors, and then you can stick the next one in there. And it's really straightforward. It's really not complicated at all. As you see, it's just push it in there, and then it's good to go. And then you're gonna or you have the option to use these to hold it up in place. We are not gonna do that right now though, but you could place them in there, and then you could like glue them on somewhere if that's something you're looking for. And yeah, otherwise pretty straightforward. And here it is. As you see right now, it's reacting to my voice. You can also let it react to music that way, and there's like different effects to it as well. While I'm talking, this is not what it looked like. I had some music in the background. I had to remove it because YouTube was complaining about copyright issues. So just imagine there's some music where it's reacting to right now. I'm just gonna go over the modes that there are so you get an idea what it can do, what it looks like, because I think it looks really good. And it is way cheaper than the nano leaves, which you probably know as well, but they are like super expensive these days. So I was kind of excited to see these here. As you see, we can have like one color as well. Like, I don't know. All in all, I'm pretty happy with how this looks and what it does. But feel free to let me know what your thoughts are. Maybe you have different opinions on that, which is completely fine, I guess, after all. So yeah, let's go through some more facts here. Some of them are just, I don't know, I don't really like this one, for example. It's just, these look way better. Like, they're really strong and clean colors. They just look so unreal, and they don't even match and stuff. I don't know why you would be doing that. Like right here, this yellow and the blue, and I don't know. I mean, it's amazing that it can do that, and the camera is actually picking it up quite well as well. But I don't know why you would want these really strong colors. Um, so yeah, you hopefully get an idea here what this is all about. And I mean, I will just let it run through here, and this is what the app is look like. It's Smart Life. You can probably use the Sellers brand, or not brand, Sellers app as well. We did not though. We decided to use Smart Life because I'm not a huge fan of having different apps on here. And yeah, as you see, we have quite a bunch of options to choose from here, also for the music modes and intensity and speed and all that. So that's kind of exciting. So you can actually customize this all the way you want it. And it is pretty straightforward. It's not complicated or anything. So yeah, feel free to play around. You also have the layout here, so you can actually target certain areas and customize them as well, if that's something you want to do. So yeah, I mean, as I said, pretty straightforward and not bad at all. And I think we can call it a day for now, and I will see you around. My name is Badger. Take care, and until the next time, bye bye.